What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial. It is Wednesday, so it means a brand new video for you guys. And first of all, I want to announce that Vegas Pro 16 is coming at the end of August. Keep your eyes open on Twitter at JustAlexHalford. Link is in the description for updates. And make sure to hit that like button down below if you are excited for Vegas Pro 16 and a brand new season of next level Vegas 16 tutorials that are coming at the end of August. So make sure to let me know in the comments how excited you are. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a whip pan transition in Vegas Pro 15. So I would say, as usual, make sure to subscribe down below if you're new and hit the like button. And I will see you guys, obviously, right after the intro. Alright guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, we're gonna recreate this amazing effect that you guys have seen in the intro. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some nice copyright-free stock footage clips, and we're gonna go ahead and start off. There are two methods that we can use, and we're gonna start off with the first one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new video track. We're going to put this guy over it, and I would say, for example, like this amount. Then we're gonna cut it right here and cut it right here, so those cuts are aligned with our mark. Now that what we need to do is go to the top event pan crop icon. As you can see, the effects open. What we need to do is we need to place our marker at the bottom and place it all the way to the right. Now what we need to do is we need to click on this icon until it says moved in X only, and then we're gonna drag this guy to there until it is on the fine edge, like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that for the opposite on the track below it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on event pan crop, and we're gonna drag this guy to the opposite side at the beginning, and then we're gonna go drag this marker all the way to the right, and then we're gonna hit restore. So this is what it looks like. So that's the first way that you can create this whip pan and transition, but I would just recommend the second one, which is what we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna just pick a little different footage. Then what we're gonna do is we need to go ahead and create a crossfade. So drag this guy over it until we see those lines. The longer the lines are, the slower the transition is going to be. So this is really slow, this is really, really fast. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to go to our transitions tab, and we want to pick BCC Swish Pan. And for everybody that doesn't have the BCC options, I will leave at the end of this video a little clip of the tutorial where I show you guys how to get this plugin. If you want to know how to get the BCC plugins and everything like that, just keep watching. You don't need to go ahead and check out another video. I will just show you guys that clip right when this video is done. So once you have installed it, you can come back to this video or rewind it, and then you can just drag this guy over the transition, and you can adjust all kinds of settings. As you can see, the preset is no preset, but we can have many different ones. You can just choose that yourself. So if I play it back, this is what it looks like. As you can see, nice and slow, and then it swish pans into the next clip. So that is basically the second way, guys, how you can create the awesome whip pan transition. So make sure to smash the like button down below if you find this an amazing effect and also a very nice transition. And right now I'm going to show you guys the clip where you can get these plugins. So make sure to enjoy this clip, and that is how to do it. We're going to go to the link in the description, the first one, so you can find the download link to the folder that we need. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description and you want to download this zip file. So we're going to just open it, as you can see, and then what we're going to do is we're going to just double click it right here. and then it's going to unpack it, and then we're going to install it. Very, very simple. As you can see right now, it says welcome to the new BlueFX 2012 setup wizard. We're going to click on next, and what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that we will also have everything checked that we need. For example, After Effects, etc. And we also have Sony Vegas, and we're going to make sure that Sony Vegas, that the DirectX is going to be selected. So we're going to click on next, and right here we're going to click on install. So now that the new BlueFX plugin is installing, I'm going to wait until it finished installing, or I'm just going to speed up the footage with some music. This can just take a while. It says right here, it says please wait a while. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait, and as you can see right now, it is almost done.
I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life, we're picking up where we left, off and on again.
Okay, so it took a minute, and right here it says like shows new BlueFX 2012. You want all those instructions. You can just go ahead and click on finish, and obviously it's going to ask you if you want to open it. We're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and see if the plugin is installed. So we're going to go into Vegas. Let's X out in Vegas Pro and let's boot it up again. Okay, as you can see, Vegas is booting, and hopefully the plugins are in Vegas Pro 15. I assume that they are, and we're just going to find out together. Okay guys, Vegas Pro is booted up, and as you can see right now, if we're going to scroll down in the video effects tab, as you can see right here, it says new blue effects. It is that awesome. So that's gonna be it, guys. The new blue effects are installed into your Vegas Pro. It doesn't matter which version it is, because people always ask me like, Alex, can you do this in a Vegas Pro 15, Vegas Pro 14, Sony Vegas Pro 13, 12, 11, and all that kind of stuff? Yes, that's all possible. So that is it, guys. That is how you create a whip pan transition in Vegas Pro 15. And like I've mentioned, if you are excited for Vegas Pro 16, make sure to smash the like button down below and comment down below what you think is the most awesome feature that will be on Vegas Pro 16. So guys, that's it. I will see you guys in a brand new video tomorrow on channel reviews, obviously every Thursday. So thank you for the continuous support, and I will see you guys obviously tomorrow.
Yeah.